Hi there, if you are still using Canva without knowing these programs, then you does not know anything. You can still make free digital assets with Canva the DIY way. However, since the inception of this type of designer, we've seen an onslaught of Canva alternatives, some of which are entirely free, while others have cleaner interfaces or unique features that you either have to pay for or can't find on Canva. So you must try all these free websites that are alternative to Canva. Adobe Spark is an online Adobe tool for quick graphic design. It's definitely not Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator, but as one of the best alternatives to Canva, it does the job quite well. The Adobe Spark Starter Plan is a limited but completely free version of Spark that you can download right away with an Adobe account. It gives you access to a stack of free templates, images, and icons, and you can also design from scratch. The interface is clean and simple, and the onboarding to new projects is streamlined. You can create social media graphics in most of the common sizes. Adobe Spark also helps you create simple, responsive websites and short animated videos. The design tools inside the editor look simple at first, but are actually quite good under the surface. There's curved text, interesting animation effects, clean icons, and images from Adobe stock. What stands out in Adobe Spark is the branded stories feature. You add your main brand assets like logos, fonts, and colors, and the tool creates a simple template collection just for your brand. Adobe Spark is best for people that want to create social media content easily and fast. Anyone with a Creative Cloud subscription can use Adobe Spark. There's also a standalone subscription for individual users. This is not a tool for non-designers who need everything on hand at all times. It's more for someone who can manage with the bare necessities but also has a bit of a designer background. Easil is a Canva alternative with fresh and vibrant templates. The most popular are the Instagram stories and other common social media sizes. Easil is the drag-and-drop graphic design tool that empowers your whole team to create visual content so good, it looks like a pro designed it. Easil.ly is a simple web tool that empowers anyone to create and share powerful visuals, infographics, posters, no design experience needed. Depending on the subscription, there are more and more templates available for use. As an alternative to Canva, it does the job quite well. The editor has a considerable amount of design elements to work with. The most notable is the long list of shape masks. There are also icons, illustrations, patterns, and images. Easil also has a granular locking feature to create templates for teams. You also have the ability to create animated GIFs in this design tool. This tool is for users that need mostly social media visuals and blog-related graphics. There are thousands of social media templates in many different styles. Most of the designs are trendy, not so much suited for the corporate space. Easil is more for bloggers and creative entrepreneurs. Easil is also well suited for small teams that create content for the same purpose, like a small business or startup venture. Vista Create, ex Crello, is a free design platform with thousands of templates and a wide range of editing features to help you customize designs, remove backgrounds, access a huge library of fonts, illustrations, stickers, and other elements, and effortlessly create professional designs for free. Vista Create was created for and is used by marketing professionals, bloggers, and entrepreneurs or small businesses who need to create content daily without large budgets. This is one of the best software programs for easily creating images and videos for posting. It's so easy to use. Really, there's not anything bad I could say about this program. Overall, great and easy for anyone to use. Compared to other design tools, including Canva, Vista Create is more affordable and offers some amazing features to help you create animated designs for various use cases. You have access to the Vista Create content library for no extra cost. Its library has thousands of royalty-free photos, vectors, illustrations, and HD videos. You get unlimited usage permission without any additional cost. Design Wizard is a wonderful, simple, free, graphic design software. Create stunning content in seconds. Unleash your creativity. Design Wizard is an online graphic design tool that allows users to easily create, share and download images in minutes. All of Design Wizard's features are free, allowing you to access a library of over 1 million copyright-free images and 15,000 templates so that you can create, share, or download customized designs for social, business, or everyday use. Design Wizard is a decent tool that you might want to boot up to quickly edit an image. It loads really fast and the interface is friendly and easy to understand. Surprisingly, it has a good amount of editing options compared to other online editing software out there, but is also missing a few important ones, like auto adjustment lines. For creating images from scratch, there is a fair number of good templates to choose from. They can significantly speed up your workflow. Design Wizard is a decent platform for creating graphics in an easy way. It suits people like me without experience in graphics designs. There are a lot of templates and stock images to choose from, which makes it easier to make nice designs in a short time. Design Wizard also offers a nice video editor to make videos. Visme is a graphic design tool that goes beyond what you'd expect from a regular tool. The drag-and-drop editor is intuitive, easy to use and packed with features. With Visme, you can create professional and attractive presentations, infographics, social media graphics and more. It's a robust Canva alternative for users looking for an all-in-one design tool. Visme's data visualization tools include over 40 charts and graphs, customizable flowcharts, an interactive map builder, an easy-to-use table maker and plenty of customizable data widgets. The Graph Engine can help you create any type of chart with data you input manually or import via a spreadsheet. With a collection of charts and the ability to sync live data, you can create a personalized dashboard visualizing data about your company. With the help of Visme templates, you can create stunning social media graphics, flyers, interactive projects, presentations, and multi-page documents for print or embedding on your site. Create videos and GIFs for social media, as well as animated slides for pitch decks or even school projects. There are templates for hundreds of business and education use cases. Visme has a built-in photo editor that lets you enhance your images right inside your browser. You don't have to use a separate tool to add filters and overlays, resize, crop or rotate your photos. With Snappa, you can get access to 5 million plus free, high-resolution, and totally not cheesy stock photos. You don't need to scour multiple stock libraries, worry about usage rights, or pay for the best background images anymore. You can also create whatever you've imagined in seconds. Choose from 200 plus fonts, 100,000 plus vectors and shapes, and play with photo effects until your graphic is perfect. No design experience required. All photos and graphics included in Snappa are 100% royalty-free and licensed for commercial use. No extra fees. Removing backgrounds from images used to be difficult and time-consuming. With Snappa, you can remove the background with just a click, wait a second, and then pick your jaw up off the floor after seeing your background vanish like magic. Snappa also provides the facility of scheduling your graphics. Share your graphics to Facebook, Twitter, and other popular social media platforms without leaving Snappa. Save even more time when you connect your Buffer account and pre-schedule your posts. Stenciling produces an image or pattern by applying pigment to a surface under an intermediate object with designed gaps in it, which create the pattern or image by only allowing the pigment to reach some parts of the surface. Stencil is a fantastically easy-to-use online graphic design tool and image editor built for business owners, social media marketers, and bloggers. Stencil provides more than 1,350 professionally designed templates, which may include quotes, social media, holiday, fitness, business, etc. Piktochart is an online tool for creating infographics, presentation slides, reports, flyers, posters, and more, for both print and online audiences, combining charts, graphs, text, and built-in graphics. Teachers and students can easily assemble and present information using the drag-and-drop interface. In short, it is a web-based graphic design tool and infographic maker. Piktochart offers a free version of the platform, available to everyone. You can choose to upgrade to a pro version to access unlimited downloads, brand assets, and more. With Piktochart's powerful yet easy-to-use editor, tools, and features, you'll be a visual storytelling genius in no time. We think your teachers will be mightily impressed. Create a free Piktochart account so you can easily follow along and get access to the high-quality version of the templates. Pixelied is a feature-rich design tool offering an extensive library of templates, photos, icons, illustrations, color palettes, and vectors. Pixelied is a fast, easy-to-use online design tool that helps users quickly create better-looking images and graphics. Pixelied is a full suite of image editing tools, with standalone solutions for the most common uses, tailored for businesses. You don't need a designer. You need Pixelied. With Pixelied, you can easily retouch e-commerce product images, replace backgrounds, and easily create branded designs for social media, blog posts, and other content. Tasks that used to take designers hours, you can do in just a few clicks with our online graphic editor, an ever-growing library of professional templates with ready-made thumbnails, header images, story and post graphics, and more for all your marketing channels, from social media through online streaming to email and more. These were 9 free tools that we're alike to Canva. Like the video if you find it useful. Also subscribe to this channel. Tell us in the comments, which of the following mentioned websites have better features than Canva in your point of view. Thanks for watching.